We're here at Ventura Toyota today to show off some of our beautiful used cars. Come on and take a look. We've got tons down here ready for sale. And we're looking at a beautiful little truck here. 2011 Ford Ranger. Got custom bumpers on the front and the rear. Rhino liner in the back. Check this weather guard toolbox out. Clean inside and out. You can't go wrong with this 2011 Ford Ranger. Extra cab. Got a stick shift transmission right there. Only 111,000 miles. Another look at those custom bumpers. The fog light and light bar. Right here is on sale today for $14,500. Come on down, make us an offer. Beautiful truck. Well, what do we have here? A 21 4x4 Tundra TRD Sport 4x4. I don't know if I said that already. Certified. 34,000 miles. The beautiful thing about it is dark green. Let's go. Army green. Got the easy up and easy down tailgate. Got the mats in the back with a rhino liner. Ready to go. Back window rolls fully down, completely down. And awesome. Beautiful truck. It is certified, so you do have protection by Toyota anywhere you travel. Look at the way she shines. Look at this 2021 Ford F250 FX4 off-road 4x4. This thing is loaded. Can't get any closer to a Lariat than this. It is an XLT, but it is loaded, let me tell you. Take a look at how clean it is. Gonna walk around, it's got the giant tow mirrors there. Let me back up on the driver's side. Running boards. Pretty much pull a house off the foundation. Just kidding, it probably won't. Big tow hitch there. Clean as can be. Right here at Ventura Toyota. Probably wondering why we're filming this car. Well, I'll show you why. Beautiful little Jetta 2020, 7,245 miles, plus a couple of test drives, of course. Right here, Ventura Toyota. Look at this baby. She's clean, ready for her new home. And for a 7,000 mile vehicle, what do you think that would cost you in your pocketbook? You're in luck. It's on sale, down from $20,988 to $17,449. Come on down. Carfax, one owner. And remember, they don't last forever, so come and get them before they're gone. Unicorn. This is electric lime. 2022 with 21,000 miles. Tacoma TRD Pro. It's got the cast aluminum running boards there. Non-slip. Tonneau cover. You see it's in great shape. It is certified. So you do have that protection from Toyota. Got the roof rack on top right there. Moon roof. sticker on the hood telling you all the badging is right. Can't see it very well, but right here there's a ghost shield protecting the whole front of the hood on this beautiful car, beautiful truck. Try to find one, I dare you. Right here at Ventura Toyota. Get it before it's gone.